weather reports are still news, floods continue in Norfolk, and in this aerial view you can observe where the sea wall was broken in the gale and swamped the country around Horsey. The seawater was driven up the River Tern as far as the well-known bungalow colony of Potter Heigham, which appears very forlorn amid the inundations of the Broads. Haystacks islanded, houses isolated. The village of Horsey itself stood above the floods, but the group of buildings known as Horsey Farm is very much under the weather. Although dry above the waters, Horsey had to be evacuated and the last families leave, driven out by contamination of the wells. They take with them their more important belongings. The animals, which represent many a farmer's stake in the world, stare at the waterlogged desolation with a pitiful air of amazement. There is still snow on the south coast of England, but